Welcome back to our channel All Old Rare Coins, Coin Collector's Corner. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Japanese coins, focusing on the 10 yen coin from 1965. If you've ever wondered about its value and how much it could be worth today, you're in the right place. This coin is related to history and play a role in history. If you want to know about the value of 10 yen, don't skip this video. Let's get started. First, let's travel back to 1965. Japan was experiencing rapid economic growth, and the 10 yen coin was an essential part of daily transactions. These coins have a distinctive design that reflects the rich culture and history of Japan. On the obverse side, you'll find the Phoenix Hall of Byadoin Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Uji, Kyoto. The reverse side features the coin's value and the year of minting, written in Japanese. Now, let's talk about what makes the 1965 10 yen coin special for collectors. Its value makes special to 10 yen. Because its market value is $67,000. The condition of the coin plays a crucial role in its value. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state. A well-preserved, uncirculated coin can fetch a higher price than one that's been heavily used. For a 1965 10 yen coin, the most sought-after grades are uncirculated, MS 60 and above, and proof coins, which were specially minted for collectors. Let's dive into the current market value. As of today, a typical 1965 10 yen coin in circulated condition might be worth between 20,000 to 50,000 yen, which is about 1,000 cents in USD. However, if your coin is in uncirculated or proof condition, it can be worth significantly more. Uncirculated coins can range from $10,000 to $50,000 and proof coins can go even higher, depending on the buyer's interest and the coin's specific condition. Several factors influence the value of a 1965 10 yen coin. As we discussed, the better the condition, the higher the value. While 1965 coins are extremely rare and related to history, those in pristine condition are harder to find. Collector interest can fluctuate, impacting the coin's market value. Coins from significant years or with unique minting errors can be more valuable. So, whether you have a 1965 10 yen coin in your collection or you're thinking about adding one, it's clear that these coins hold not just monetary value, but also a piece of Japanese history. Check your coin's condition, keep an eye on the market, and who knows, you might just have a hidden gem. Thanks for joining us on Coin Collector's Corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on coin values and history. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy collecting.